Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So in my case, now just by double press to power key, the Google Assistant is turned on, and now I'll show you how you can just turn it off. So go to the settings, scroll down to the system, and here go to the gestures. Here we got the double press power key section, and now we can launch Assistant with this double press to power key. Also we can launch the camera, as can you see, and now we'll just turn it off by switch it to the noun, and as can you see, we just deactivated this function. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.